Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm so happy because Amazon has supplied me with a razor that I love and is affordable. This right here is the women's razor from Amazon Basics, and you get 12 refills with this, which is amazing. So for me, one of these razors, it's a 5-blade razor, lasts about a month. So that means this is an entire year's supply of razors for me. The value is unbeatable and it works just as good as the more expensive ones I was purchasing in store. The handle is really comfortable and I find it very easy to manipulate. It's got a rubber grip. It's nice and wide, so I'm never dropping it. It doesn't slide out of my hand. The razor's really smooth on your leg, even over awkward things like your knee. I haven't cut myself once, so that's great. And it comes with a handy dandy little hook that you can put on your shower and hang. So if you're looking for a great quality razor, Amazon Basics has got you covered. You should definitely give this one a try. And that's my point of view.